Yeah, man. So people watching me have to say 20 somebody I watch live first before me start give you credit. Check out the credit man, tell me what's on there. I'm mostly lime phone here.
We have 12, we have 99 and 3 digits, you see.
You see me, them there, and we just have to call it the number, them random people. You see me, so we just share out the live stream and make some people forward up quick and fast. You know, and they big up yourself, you see me. Lord, big up yourself. I know say check in, Maya Boy, big up yourself. You see me, King J check in, said we, Ashley check in, you know where thing go. Telisa, you know say you're there same way. So people, big up on yourself. So watch you now, when you share out the live stream, I want to see 20 people I watch out before I start giving credit them. Yeah. You don't know, credit them there, live and direct. See them here, live and direct phone.
No joke.
I don't want to catch no number, you see me, them there, live and direct. You see me, them there. So when you just share out the live stream and forward, you see me. Yeah man, 20 people, I want to see 20 people I watch before I start. Come in, I do not joke with the live stream, man. I only wait on this in the people. I know that wait on it, you see me? That wait on it. Like, wait on it. So I just share out the live stream, credit them there. I have 6 man, them there live and direct. You don't know. I am Chap Kid there. So people, all I want to subscribe to Chap Kid Music. When you run go over that channel there and check out Chap Kid Music, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know. King J saying active in it. But people, we start with the flow credit them first, cause I mostly flow credit there. So people you just share out the live stream quick and fast. I want to see 20 people. Come in man, and I joke with you now. I don't know me I go live for my birthday, same way. So what I do? Yeah man, me see thumbs up them a fly go up. You don't know JJ Official TV check in, said we, yeah. Big up self bro God. Yeah man, me see thumbs up them a fly, but I want to see person them on the live stream a fly so me can start give out the credit them man. You see me? Come in man, what I do? I wouldn't me wait for them. You see me just do it unexpected because in my past video I realize enough people never watch that video there, you see me? Because if enough watch that video yeah, will say yo, the live stream you afford before time because when me say June 6, big up yourself, you see me? But me I tell you, if you can't them there, man. You see me, so I want to share out the live stream. Tell your mother, tell your father, tell your aunt, tell everybody. So if you join the live stream, because some whole heap of credit are doing. Yo, bumbo clap people, they must stop WhatsApp my phone. people, they just check in. Yeah, man, check in, man. Uno me a wait for now. Don't know half a road me a come in from right now me all feel hot so I don't know the far. I want to see 20 people I watch. 9 are with there and I see 12 thumbs up so far. You see me drop down at 8 so people wanna share out the live stream. My credit can't miss nobody. Credit there for everybody. You see me but I'm mostly lime credit though. Mostly.
Yeah, we still have
and we have 1,500 lime credit there special. One somebody, I don't know who that special somebody there gonna be. But yeah, when I see 30 somebody on the live stream, I'm gonna give you that credit there. You see, nah man, I start from the 100 one when I see 20. Anytime I reach 30, I touch it 200 one. I'm going 200 one there. I call them one bro. How much are they? Yeah man, 200 one there.
200 there, see me.
And the 5 bills there said we.
No joke.
Them for start in my community nobody not really use this cell phone. Somebody see their job gone at 10, you see me Ishka there said we. Oh I go and Kimisha, big up yourself. You see me, I don't know. When you subscribe to Chap Kid Music, quick and fast said we for my people. I don't know my little brother channel that. Big up yourself Ishka world, don't know your phone in and you say all so people on the live stream start. Come in people. You see me, now wait for you now. Jay and Sash say, yo, wanna big up on yourself, make sure you go check out Jay and Sash and subscribe to them channel, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know, I want to check out Palmer than same way. Don't know King J there same way. You can't do all the sub in the chat same way no people. Till 20 people them falling so who want to subscribe and don't know. You can't go and do sub, me nah stop on one. But you don't type subscribe on the live stream though. That me not got things for. Can't type subscribe on the live stream. Wait, say you want peace for the live? One day I'm seeing a rhythm near. Damn, I have to come on for my live stream for run a rhythm. Unless me, yo, watch now. Tozy, go for your phone and come play a rhythm. Them say they want to hear a song for the live, dog. You see me? King J say they want to hear a tune. You see me? So what You see like how we not see 20 people on the live stream, me and my brother go just run a track quick and fast for me, you see me? So people wanna share out the live stream quick and fast and make it credit them fly down quick. I feel more fun myself. Yo, I see thumbs up my fly go up in the car. I see there are 13 thumbs up, I see, but I don't see no what if people are checking. So now, if you notice, make sure give no time in the people. If everybody knows say live stream, I go on in there. You notice? Make sure send out the link before a live stream start. You see me, some people who don't know how to share out the live stream now. I make 20 people for that. I make 20 credit get for fly gone fast still. You see me, them I put on. Yeah man, them I put on, you see me? I'm never ready for use them yet. So people plug out the next boombox. You see me? So in our we have couple 200 credit. Well, 6 200 credit we have same way. But if you live stream now move good, but now give away all of them because that means you're not loyal. That me I get to see better. You see me? Because one thing only that say me I want me not loyal, but me I prove you know say me loyal. Because if you not loyal, 20 people that watch already. You see me? 10 people for them now. Make me see thumbs up them start flying up and make it credit them move fast. Yeah, run ready man, make a run all a track for them yeah man. Run a track for the said because make you know say we're talented. Yeah man, fully man. And I really video we are run ready when a copyright, so you don't know we can't charge for that. You see?
I've been making that too. This is can't take coach put it in a move because it's where in a short and then make a cheap best friend come in a move. The class them clean they in the damn road. That man put it keep up down me have gun. Why? Black and brown me have gun. I couldn't keep me have gun. Yeah, someone and no girl taking me they follow man. Them nothing in my class man a girl can know me touch in the street. Every girl a come along link up deep average. Come a rubber band, them beats a bad. Everybody want one, so me circle the scheme and go link up on them beat the skin like you be jump on. Oh God, me never left mine. Travel with the 9X and it take 9. In the street, y'all see me them a get wild. Throw me flow, them clean and me clocks white. Right? Y'all say she want ride on it. I make the panty last like a sky. Some was fine. She best friend here and tell me she must try. So me fucky best friend and me come on me show me fliggy body just up in the whole night. Back shot, till she start that. Yo, yeah man. You see people in my check in man. So like how people in my check in, you credit them and give it faster, you see me? So actually people that wait for the people in forward because they run really man run some little track. So you so tell me if you don't want to hear more track till the people in forward man. Let me hear one and say. No, I don't want more track till the people in forward. See credit them there you know. No, see them at them there man, live and direct man. So when they tell me I don't want to hear more track till the people in forward. Right now I'm all I get at the come like a song to act brother. No joke.
Yo, come in and tell me one how to fast. I don't want to hear more track till the people in forward. 10 on the day and I say, now I want to tell one on. See them want more, you see me? When I get more man, but guess what? In the meanwhile, remember I share out the live stream because I want to see 20 people afford. You see me? And watch out. Let me see how skill it is. How are this? 100 one, scratch out that one quick and fast. So what me see? Which one I want to skill enough? You see if you want to catch that one and put your hand on the phone, I pay you now. I bet you don't catch it. Bet you know. No, now no can catch it. Watch out. When you share out the live stream, I say 20 people. Can you see that? No, now no can catch it. So me have to call the number for to get it. See that? No, now no can catch it. It's a flow that. See that? No, now no. So watch out. Play back with him and make a run some more to the people them for there. Yeah man, play some more. Play everything. Watch it now.
Yeah.
You get them there, man.
I've been making an out. She said she can't take coach put it in her mouth. Me just force it where? In her throat. And then me touch she best friend come in her mouth. Me clocks them clean, they need and blood. Me coulda never touch man till the cheap up town. Me have gal. white, black and brown. Me have gal a country, me have gal uptown. Yeah, someone I know gal every day they follow man. Them not inna me class, man a gal criminal. When me touching on the street, every gal a come along, link up team average. Papa rubber band, them beats a band. Everybody want one, so me circle the scheme and go link up from them. Me beat the skin like you be jump on. Oh,
oh God, me never left mine. Double with the 9X and it take 9. Inna the street, y'all see me, them a get wild. Chew me flow, them clean and me clocks white. Right, y'all say she want ride on it. Bike, make the panty last like bus kite. So she catch it on the leg, me take it on the right. Make it pussy get wet like a bus pipe. She best friend here a tell me she must try. So me fuck the best friend and make a man cry. Chew me flick it on the chest after the whole night. Back shot, till she start crying. Then me deal with the nipple like Far Cry. Baby, pull it tight. Oh, yo, watch out people. That song they raw, so watch out. I'm not arguing too much like you see me.
Yeah.
So watch out. King J, me I talk about clash, but guess what now? We not pray that way there. You see me? We don't believe in that clash. So guess what?
Get right.
If you don't want to hear more song, you tell me more song till the people in forward. Because I realize that yo, people in my job. If I share, I'm not going to share live stream. But I realize that people in my job. So people, yeah man, I know if you don't want to hear more tune, you tell me more tune. I don't want to sit down and wait till the 20 people forward. Because I don't know me wait for them.
Look what Sammy.
I don't know me wait for man. Big up yourself, me G. You don't know chop live. There you go.
There you go.
You see me, but guess what? I too long, so I want to see 20 people. I want to see 20 people forward on the live stream. I hold them too long. Everybody here wait for the credit them, but guess what? I can't give away credit them if I see 20 people forward. Because guess what? That me I wonder. Oh, no say on loyal, but you're not loyal. Because if you not be loyal, you not share the live stream long time. Because I know everybody have more than 20 contacts. You see me? Yeah man, everybody have more than 20 contacts. You see me, and someone have 1,000 right now, you carry them there. I want to just blow them away. So come here. I want to say, you know want me start call one of them? Nah, start call none. None of them I start call. May I wait for the stick streaming? Share out the live stream man, credit there for everybody man. What I do, I tell you no matter, I tell you every, voila, me ask you a question. Everybody now know what's not a phone. Yeah? Everybody now know what's not a phone. Because I know everybody I watch YouTube video nowadays. Everybody have phone. And right now, I don't know with quarantine and down, so I don't know when I have nothing much to do.
Yeah.
Who have make you play a card? When I play a card, tell me if you not play a card. I won't know me I wait pan. Every second, if you see, if you people them that forward and you see me, if you not share out the live stream, people them would have forward more faster. I'm not tell them say credit over arguing. You see me? So I want to tell you no matter. Watch out. 10 hours there, you see me? If 10 hours go so home, so I want to tell you no matter. I want to tell you no brother, I want to tell you no sister, I want to tell you no cousin, say you like a credit over there actually, you better phone. Because if 10 I want to tell one somebody at 20 that I would have started, you think them already. Right now, I'm not run no more. I want to me away from. Feel like I want to build up all that spliff. But I'm not a whistler. Want to give me a whistler now?
Oh God!
Yo, come in. One I want to just tell a friend say, yo, join it. Everyone I want to just tell a friend say, join it live. 1-1. Yes, you can see this. You can see it. Who can catch you and put you on?
I'm gonna take it, Germany. You see it. Hold on. You see
You
it.
can't see it? Yo, no, you can't see it, brother. You can't see it? Tell me if you can't see it. Yo, watch out, share out the live stream, man. You now move.
Yeah. Minus
9. Yeah, me a count now. Me a count 9. Let me see 10 now. Where 10 there? Where 10 somebody there?
10.
Come in at 10. Want to see next? Where next somebody there? 8. You drop back. Fool, no bad luck. We can't do this the whole day. You know? Can't sit against and wait the whole day till you no forward. Yeah, you're there. I know you're there, but you don't have to share the live stream. I want to see 20 people first before I start give you credit. You see me? That's what I'm going to know about on loyalty stands. You see me? See they drop gone. Let me see on the loyalty stands now. I want to see 10 somebody on the live stream before I start give you credit.
Yo, just get 10 for grading quick and fast.
Yeah, watch out now. If 10, watch out now. When 10 somebody forward, we give you 1 credit. When we see 10 somebody, we give you 1 credit. You see me? One I did sell one them. The one of them did sell one. So who that said did it first? When we see 10 somebody, give you that did sell that first. When we put on them over here. So come in, we are calling number them phone. So when we see 10 somebody. Well, no, they want to. And guess what? If you know that smarter still, you know, just got to take on so more than 20 smarty man.
You see, it's still a drop.
Ghana same.
No one credit, man. Not a joke.
When I joke, I wonder if I have to, no, now share live stream again, you know. I don't tell them.
I give a Wi-Fi person. Who wants to jump on the live? Most Wi-Fi no one credit.
Come in, catch it. Catch it, take it. That's it.
Yo, catch it credit, man. Can I come like that?
Yo, wala na dad.
Yo, see some credit, take it. You can't get that way,
Yo, what 10 man tell you to say if they
I call it when I number them. Watch it now. Call out.
One number.
Yeah.
One number have I.
I'm going to call it to all and then guess the last number.
You will like it, that
Yeah.
guess the last number. No, brother, when 10 of them fall, just give away credit.
I'll just go link up and come for them personally, one. Girls only. Joking thing like that. You can't joke.
Hey, so them a joke though, all their vibes are broke, dog.
I'm a joke, dog. Yo, next day.
Nah, broke my vibes. You don't want me any live stream and do it on next day.
Yeah, better just wait till in normal time, yeah, man. June 6th.
Cause we not joke, brother.
Life shaky, so.
Seriously, you know me.
Yo, and I hold the money we spend on the credit still, you know. You feel like I say, I beg them, I hold the money. Credit get there, 2 weeks one of them, I know. For $100, like, did this phone, $200, so check that. So, I think so. Yo, what next time, man?
Wait, say my friend have somebody where you want him, I'm a brother.
What you mean? You can check out the IG page, man. No things said RG Chapkin. Official, no joke.
Yo, remember 5 over there, you know. Yo, you know what? What I say, no one credit. 7 one, we see come up 7 there now.
Yeah.
3 more smarty forward now. 10 me I give it. Come in the money credit then there, brother. Credit then there. I just share now for share out the live stream. See there, it drop again. You see me, so when I tell myself, I don't want credit. I wonder how many want forward and just disappear. Wait, all of them are moving now, everybody just forward and disappear.
Yeah, but you give it one.
Yo, watch out now. If you don't want credit, you can't tell me, I can't put them on my phone.
Well, but money what you must do now?
Yo, who don't want credit? Tell me, who don't want credit? I guess I don't. Yeah man, stay far proud. Come in, guess the number.
2, 4, 5.
Let's you know.
You're watching up. I give a phone card there, man, so.
Where say more you want phone card or more you want phone card? Right now, now tell me.
You can't take that one, take that one.
Now tell me say more phone card and I'm gonna give us a 10 smart on the live stream.
Don't take that one.
Some more.
And let them can't see. Can't go in there, man. You're not sure.
Yo, you see this?
Look at it.
Yo, did this say people them? Wanna take that one? I know no want me call it up, but you not share out the live stream. You not see that one here though? You not see?
I'm watching me, I call it one of them stuff. Are you ready?
No.
119. I'm gonna get the press 2, yeah?
Yeah man, 119, I even get the first 2.
We're not ready to kill them, man. The life I'm shaky.
Yeah man, the people them are more shaky.
I'll just wait till next time, man.
You
I
understand?
want to give it to a credit figure, then call me later.
Come like that. Nobody know. Watch out. You see me can open double window. And see me can share you up back on WhatsApp again. Cause them people there come like them a joke. Them 8 of them for you know. You ready? Like this people them so ready.
No digiphone there.
I want no digital cell phone. No,
100 line phone card I give you. Where line people them they say ready for ready.
yo, digital people them digital. You see me and the line people them say line.
They have about 1,000 line credit I give it to you now. You know check in quick. Hold on, Digi.
DJ. I was DJ.
How would I?
Lime. Hola.
How much Digi there?
Hola. That message there, yes, message there. You would now jump na inbox, you see me? So did you sell people and said did you sell again? I say 1, 2.
I see him smarty.
Oh, 2 smart said.
A 2 smarty. One body.
No dog, a 3 smart said did you? 3 smart they are one did you sell? So me I call out that did you sell one here. Oh ready, say ready. Did you sell people and say ready?
Let me see.
Yeah man, people, Tuesday. Yeah, people, I know my fault. Wi-Fi that more shit. I know my fault, you see me? So, people them were ready for this again, say ready again. You see me? Just Tuesday. This is smart, say want your number there. Yeah, your man say no want to have your number.
Basically.
Yeah, your man say no want to have your number, brother. You see me? So watch you now. Oh, it did sell people and say ready.
There you go. Well, you can't type it.
No. You can't type it.
You can't type.
You type, jump on the live and tell him. Yeah man, when I see people them ready for you to sell credit now, I'm not say ready now. They did sell people them say ready. 1, 2 that. You see 2 ready so far. Come in, I see 1 more, 2 more ready. Did sell people them say ready. Did sell people? Alright. I say, watch it now. Did sell people? Alright. Turn down, sit down.
Hey, God. Hold on there.
Yo, watch it now. First digital credit a fly away now. So people, make sure you get to the phone ready, you know, because I say ready, you know. So 24, 73, 71, 81, 65, 85, 1. Who get it, say get it. Come in and nobody. Come in, who want this? Who get it? Nobody not get it yet.
No YouTube go out.
No.
Yo, and yo, people, me I wait for now. Who get the credit?
Check in quick and fast.
Come in and tell me the answer now. Who get the credit? The people them will say ready. How me not hear na answer? Who get the credit? Who get the credit?
Watch out, pass that one. People they already feel
Yo,
like they
line people say ready. Cause me no know who get the digital phone carrier. But see ya,
Yeah.
we just check in back if anything. I'm a really calling number. So line people say ready.
Ready for now and the line credit.
All who want a line credit say ready.
Steady. This one is ready.
Who's ready? One somebody say ready already. So one somebody want a nobody else no want a line. Who else want a line credit say ready? Ready. Somebody say get it.
Yes, somebody get ready.
You see me?
So watch out now. 97143. Now get that. Remember 97143.
Yo, call it fast. Now remember say only for some of them the money.
307984. Who get that?
Yo, who get it say get it? That's a one line credit. So who get it say get it?
Oh, people na gaya pang naman ito na yan.
Where? So who get the line credit? Who get it? Nobody answer. Who get it? Who get it? Me I wait for no answer. Who get the line credit there? Yo, all people in my mouse. You know say me feel like you not scam me. You not scam. See somebody, I would have somebody there. KLexi get that one there.
Yes, somebody gone.
So somebody gone with the line credit there. You see me? So who do you get the digital credit again? Who get the digital credit? Oh, you not get the digital credit. So who get the digital? And you know I'm call over back then, see it and make sure I put it on one. So I told long that now. See that somebody else say they not get it. You see me? So I want to say call over about that digital credit here. Or somebody get it. Me I call over about digital credit again. So 24, 73, 71, 81, 65, 85, number 1. So who get it, say then get it. That one digital credit. So hola. You know say that somebody there play with me.
Where?
I get it already there for a long time. I'm going to say how that the somebody type say they get it again, you know.
Type say get it, dog.
No man, that
Yeah, man. No, me say somebody get it, somebody say get it. Somebody
that
get
I line credit, that's somebody they get. You see me? So somebody gone with the line credit.
Somebody
Who
get the
the
line,
digital
somebody get the
credit?
digital. Don't stop joke or anything, no, man. So like us, man.
Who get the digital credit?
You watching our game next video?
Yo, we are moving on this credit, you know, but more as 15 somebody on the live. Me give it 2 credit already, you know, and me say 20 people after they on the live stream. Come in, me I wait for see 15 somebody on the live before I call the next credit. Yo. Watch your people still at it, man. Yo, can't but I know.
You still have reconnect?
You good man, live start back. People, let me wait for check-in back.
You must let
Yo, I see 20 thumbs up in about, I see 15 somebody check in it. Where is that somebody them the 2 credit play out already, you know? Fling down the... Give me one DJ before I fly with that one, yeah. Yeah, I see say life I go down instead of go up. You see me, I wonder if nobody no want no credit card, them rich. If them rich, them can tell me jump off a live stream. How you feel like? Yo, watch it now. Come in, man, and check in, man. 15 somebody for the next DJ. Yeah. Come in, I want to see 15 somebody. Then we fly the next DJ. Yeah. Come in, 15 somebody check in, man, we fly the DJ cell, yeah, man. Come in, I want to fly the one you like kite people. Come in. So, yeah, man. Where so you poor, alright. Me you poor too. 2 hours poor, yeah, man. 2 hours poor, so I want to see 15 somebody before I give you the next DJ yeah. Come in, 15 somebody. When you ready, come in, get ready. You see me, come in, quick and fast. See Chap Kid Music, I ask you if you're ready. When you make your man gone, busy on your phone, gone, text in a live stream, brother. Come in, man. Chevron Classic, send one G. You don't know for your father, you don't know what to do. Credit over here, give it. So if you want to stay or you want to share out the live stream, make 15 somebody forward. You know what to do. Because guess what, when 15 somebody forward, we are flinging the next digital credit out and quick and fast. Because holy more there. Holy more there. Come in, Cathy say ready, but Cathy member, I don't see 15 somebody on the live yet. I can't give you that digital yet. Come in. Yeah, wait for you. Come in, man. Come in. Diginex. Come in, man. Quick after make the live stream and go up. Come in, people. No, don't say yo. The Wi-Fi is shaky some of the time, people. You see me, a while ago. I pause the live pass by me and I feel a little while in the bed. I tell you, say, I feel like the thing gone. You see me? And now we have to hurry up and share out the live stream, make some more big further. Just tell the friends and credit over Dan Boy TK channel and give it. They now have to follow over here and subscribe. I now beg no subscriber. I just give a credit for y'all who are loyal. So if you know give respect for your credit after you get here and check in back. You see me? You don't know key and say you have credit you want. You don't know Chevron Classic check in said we. I don't know when I move from 13. I see it at 12, then I see it at 13. Then so people come in, man. 15 somebody if you watch before I give you the next credit. Remember I know said like on yo, watch out. Said like on double window for the food forget the credit. On double window and share out the live stream. Said we people come in, man. What I do? We don't have to jump off our live to share out the live stream, you know. You see me? So come in, people. Come in, man. See you next credit. I go on to the people, they must leave. Yo, wake them up, yo. Wanna full up their inbox and tell them, say, Dan Boy TK, they live. Full up their inbox, man, make them have to jump out of them bed. Come in, man. 15 smarty. What you say? You're brawling. I'm not brawling. Oh, so yeah, I see it, 15 smarty there now. So watch out, next this sell give it. So people already for that did sell credit, I say ready. Already for that did sell credit, I say ready. So understand what I go, see ready them come did sell credit, but people on the phone and share back like I see on the loyalty, brother.
Chop.
I don't know the side where my life that got done in a dog. I think a long way that done. See people still are say ready, but guess what? I want to see it back at 15. Yeah, I say live I go down, I don't know. People them come like say, who get the credit gone already at that, or two credit you ain't already, and I don't know. The two somebody get where they get them credit, they come like a two somebody when a liar. I don't hear none of them say yo, then get, oh yeah. One somebody get that. I don't know if that somebody there when you get the credit still there. But somebody get the lime credit. This is somebody type so then get the lime credit. You see me? Come in, ready again. Who ready for Digicel credit? Say ready. So that Digicel one you fly away now. So who ready for that Digicel credit? You say ready. Who ready for Digicel credit? Say ready. Once ready for that Digicel credit, you ready. Come in, man, ready. Who ready for Digicel credit? Say ready. Once you ready, them I go up here now. Who ready for Digicel credit? You say ready. 1 ready, 2 ready, 3 ready, 4 ready. Come in. Alright. 20. 95, 83, 10, 18, 74, 6.
You get that one?
You know hear that? That I want Digicel credit. See it here?
Check in fast.
Check in quick and fast for live. And you say, him just send me message that I don't say when I send out one text, I don't know say yeah, it has just live and fast. So who get it? Who get that credit? Who get the Digicel credit? Like, come see thumbs up, them a go up though. Somebody get it. Yo, I who get the credit, them and nah say them get it, bad man. Yo, watch ya. People. You know watch out the people, massive. Tell me who there. All who there, you know types it me get to see who there. Cause people get the credit and nah say them get it, you know. And that a go on because somebody say somebody get it. So who get that Digicel credit a while ago?
Yo, they now move right now.
People, me not like how now move, brother. Who get the Digicel credit?
You know what go on. They see people get the credit, they come back for the live.
I see the live be there 17 a while ago and I know what 12 there. So you see me, who get the credit?
Like say people get the credit and a cut back.
But say me here.
Oh, he gone back at 15 there. So who get the credit?
Yo, they now move right now.
What kind of what? Me no say nothing yet, me know say there. You come like the people me I get the Digicel credit, I get the and cut, but guess what? Me I go give you one 200 lime credit, but more want see 20 somebody on the live. So all who have flow phone say flow. You see me? Hold on. Me I put on back the Digicel credit until after me call out the flow credit, me call you over back. So all who want a flow 200 credit, you know, share out the live stream. You see me? All I flow people, they wanna say flow. I know say people them not talk, that's why I don't know who get the credit, you see me? So I say flow go, I say 2, I say 3 flow. You see me? So Short thick as Lori say she want flow credit. Life with Bomba, Catty can't change for her. Life with your girl Catty say she want flow. Kim Dan say flow same way. Amishka say flow same way. K Lexi McIntosh flow same way. Bestie, yeah man, flow same way, yeah.
Yeah, so
give me one 200 line credit. So I put on, yesterday they say credit here. You see, I don't know who get it, I call you over back again. So I put it on right here. So see it here, one 200 flow credit there now, but I want to see 20 call it.
credit though.
Well, never done good. Come in, one 200 credit there. Yo, you see, all my brother had take my video. But watch out, Catty. I know say you don't share. I want to see 20 somebody for before the live credit there. You see me? So come in, no check in for the lime credit there, no check in people. 100 flow this. Me have more, me have more did you sell now. And me have more line. Me have all 100 line, but more give you that 2 bills did you sell for. That 2 bills line for. So you see me? So people, you no check in.
Yo, you soon get a digital credit. No worry, man. More there, you see it.
Yo, you soon get digital man. A 2 digital credit card ID now. 1 more supposed to there, man. 1 more digital there. You see me? So that you may be lucky one to get that one. But after that, a big line there, people. So all line people them check out. And it didn't people them. You see me? You can't check in and see if them can credit said way. You see me? Come in, man. I wouldn't me away.
Man. Just take them 3 4. You know how them can't get
People, me I wait for now. Who ready? Me not see 20 smart yet. Yo, hold on up double window on the phone now have they want credit nowadays. Who want make a card? Yo, oh you have to say me a move away, dog. You can't say me a move away, you bro God, me a move away. Style. Although me not even know who. Me don't know if a man or a woman.
She's not going
Man, me not beg nobody to see me. So, make the meds are. So, flow people, I'm gonna say flow make me see you no yeah, man. Because, same thing, somebody look for me this man and say, yeah, I'll get what if a bad man and fight, you see me? So, not really meds that, you see me? Just skip past that. But, yeah, man, I feel man, we not meds that, you just skip past that. So, flow people, they say ready.
ready up the flow, them see, just give them quick and
You
fast.
see me? Yeah, man, well, you have to get everybody we have YouTube channel. Me I tell you now. You see,
Yeah,
remember, you know, me I show you, you know, me I go tell you. Me I go give you now, me I go have a little story time before me give you that credit just thing. You see me? You see, before me reach, I'm telling you, when me there 100 subs, feel good, you see me? Reach goes up, booms, reach 200 subscriber, good said way. You see me reach 300, changes start make. You see me, screw face start go on, man face start get long. Be a them thing, you see me? But so boom say now after that, guess what me do? Hide my subscriber them. See me when me hide my subscriber them, me na go so boom say and show them back till me reach 100. When me reach 700, me still start get bad mind, you see me?
17 reach now, just dash on.
You see me? When well I just give them a little story time. When me reach 700, me see say things still are going away. Whole heap of screw face are going. You see me? When me hide them again 1K before me show them back when me reach 1K. War. You see me? Be madness. Me I say yo, a war go on dog. You see me all start praying on my head and I wonder war go on. You see me? Oh gosh man, after a while, me just get theory. You see me? You see right now, in a life, come my life come tell me say yo, chat too much. So better you come off of my life if you have come from my life and I move like you diss me. What a bad man. You see me? Right now, no found no say how much subscriber me there. You see me? But a 2K ad me there. You see me? I fly past 2K from 1 day. You see me? So guess what? You see like over 50 now today. I'm not going to give me that 2. Me I want 100. All I flow people, I'm not say ready.
Run go.
That channel like it's a TK family. So guess what? Your family, you see me? That name TK one. Supposed to 2 girls and that. So I know me I always somebody me and TK, but the flow people them say ready. I say one flow people them want to so more ready. I make chap kid call out the 100 line credit. They can whole heap of credit there. I go
You know, scratch off on a weight. That's a one.
4 ready, I say 4 somebody say them ready. So all I want to double window on the phone already.
She just said that she's before TV.
Yeah, she's still there. I don't know what she did. Yo, people, I not really my fault that. You see me? I signal. You see me? So people, where on there? If flow people, them not say ready again. I'm gone. You see me? So if flow people, them say ready again. You not say ready. You like back up and running. Yo, not like stream and I move good enough. I know me a stream more than 1 hour. I know me a stream more than 1 hour. But my phone that shows me a stream for you. half an hour. Not even half an hour, 29 minutes. So if flow people them say ready. If I want to check in back, flow people say ready. Yo, chap kid. Yo, come on, wait for your dog. Come in, chap kid there. Yo, chap kid I call the flow.
No joke. Alright. 840-311-436-0080. We'll get that one there. Quick and fast.
Yo, hold on. Oh, no still as ready.
Yo, did I get the credit?
So not hear credit when the credit I give you a while ago.
Watch it. One.
Yo, hold on. Slow down with them.
Watch it now.
Give them a little slower.
840-311-1436.
Fly if you don't get the credit, bad man. So who went this money? Bomba, me see. Yo, so I got it. Yo, I walk one. Who get the credit? Yo, tengo que decir que cae en saco. So hold on, who get it? Where say live stream a stick? Yo, hold on. Who get the live credit? Because this somebody say, yo, she alone like live credit. Who get the live credit? Who get the live credit? Say, get it again. Because who get the 100 live credit? I want to answer me, brother. Who get the live credit?
Normally seems like say two phone, you see someone call her, she just take it for one. So when una come off, you go type in, she don't get to see it.
So hold on, a 2 credit that you got in the rap, yo, me a ban you off of my life. Me a go get time out off of my life, you know. Me swear, cause you get too much credit, you know. And me can't make you get high credit, man, the people, them don't get none.
Wagwan.
Come in, man. Let me see 2 more somebody for then me give you a next life. Yo, hold on, one more diesel credit in there.
Yeah, I don't know where to do it.
See there. So,
yeah,
them,
next digi there.
Them two digi, yeah. I don't know who get them 2, yeah, but them 2 you call already, you see me. But our next digi there, ready. So, it did sell people, them say ready again.
Yeah, digi, ready when they're ready.
No, a 2 line credit that gone already. She can't get 3 credit. A 2
man,
credit
she
gone.
somebody did get the digi, you see it.
Somebody did get the other digi credit and cut with it or something. Watch ya! And she pays with it.
Hold on, now where she come from?
Yo, where she come from? Yo, she pays with it even. She say, if nobody don't want to get it, I'll be the problem. Oh, she's so pissy.
Oh, God.
Yo, people, it come like with the finger move too slow. You can't make that somebody they want me to know from now. They come and take away all I credit them from me.
Yo, actually, she have fun.
Yo, you want fun of Dan Boy TK? Tell me why last video when I post. If you tell me last video when I post, I call out one credit personal for you. You see me? And you see after, you see 500 credit, yeah man. I ask a Christian. You see me? Any answer, get that one there. Oh, it look like she alone have lime phone. Yo, sorry, I see a licky. Alright. Yo, how do I deal with that, so? Oh, pass or kill. So, hold on. She come like, it's a loyal fan of Dan Boy TK channel, though. And somebody says, smash and pass.
But a smash pass or kill, so.
So, it won't wrong. You see me? I'll do the right, see me.
The right thing about.
Can I do only pass smash and pass video? But for a big man level still, last night I post that video there, I want to see that video there, 200 views. So, if people them were there, we are checking, and I come to credit them. Oh, yes! Alright, somebody, I buck up on a somebody way, and she have to go share link them to me.
Good.
So, you see somebody will get a 2 line credit already. They was say she licky and she greedy. You have to go share that boy TK link. You see me? Yo. So hold on.
man.
When people them there, nobody who ready for the sell credit. Yeah man, Andrew TV check in. Big up yourself, me G. You don't know first me I see you on my live stream them, but you don't know you go big up yourself. You don't know Andrew a whole heap of credit them there. You see me? Yeah, me know say you want me call it sell credit. Call my phone and say battery low.
Yeah, go on.
Yo, people. Come in, we have to go do this fast, you know. So, Digicel people, they must say ready. Because 15 people check in back again here. So, Digicel people say ready. So, I say one ready, I say two ready. So, Mali Nelson, where do you new on the stream? Because first me I say, but if you're new on the stream, you don't know where you go. Oh, man. You chat too much, call it credit. So, hold on, that's Smaddy there. We are getting a big whole line credit them. I tell me, me chat too much. If you call it, did sell credit, you know. So, hold on.
I wonder if she knows that we can block her.
I wonder if she knows that I can pin her on time out, but she can't type no more than me chat. Because she come on my live stream and come disrespect me.
What do you feel like?
So, watch your people, watch you now. Watch you, I want to see 30 thumbs up, you know. I want to see thumbs up, them go up, you know. Come in, man, make it thumbs up, them go up, you know. I want to see 30 thumbs up, quick and fast. 30 thumbs up. Yeah? Yeah? Bombard, yo!
Hold on, the time around.
The time around really, the dog. I don't know. Yo, that time around free. They don't play with that. Yo, I want to see 30 thumbs up. Yo, so hold on. How long will the time around for? Because we want her for the live stream. See,
Hey!
Yo, 30 thumbs up, 30 thumbs up.
I'm not in the street every day. That's all.
This money for that. Yo, she chat too much. Yo, the live stream was sweet. My Sunday happy, me not lie. My Sunday nice. Me swear, my Sunday nice. People, me love you. You see, me love you, me respect you. I want to see 30 thumbs up here now, then that is sell credit you fly. 30 thumbs up, 30 thumbs up. Come in, man, your thumbs up, you move so slow. 16 are with there now, most can see some thumbs up. Damn, my phone not charge that. Yo, people must be ready now. Come in, people. Want to do that one here.
Fast.
Want to do that one here fast. So, people, come in, ready. So, did you sell credit now? So, did you sell people? Wanna listen now. 28, 40, how is 28, 45, 95, 74, 87, 49, 8.
Quick and fast and don't take last.
So come in, tell me who get that one. That one did you sell credit. So did you sell people who say ready? Alright, me all talk about ready. Did you sell people who tell me say you get it? If you don't get it. Because guess what? You come like I have to come back live little more from this. Because my phone is dead at 9% today. I want to make sure everybody on the live stream get a credit. So who get the digital credit? Who get that digital credit? Yeah?
You know what we not can hold it for credit there, you see it so.
Come in, who get the DSL credit? Who get the DSL credit? Because I lost DSL credit this still. So, who get the DSL credit to no answer? Well, when I put up, I have 2 wins credit for somebody. See, I want 2 wins credit too. Credit they enough, man. You see me? Where you credit them I give you? Make sure you don't mix up back you credit them now. Definitely! Come for that, model. So, hold on, you don't get it. So, who get the credit? Are you alone and say, yo, you don't get it? So, 14, somebody on live stream, so if you don't get it, where you do vex? Oh, so call over credit again.
Yo, just take you all like credit. Then what I'm on here, man.
Yo, hold on. Who send for call over? Who send for call over back? Say call you over back. Devil!
Who's it? You block somebody.
Oh.
When you're best.
Wait.
Block somebody.
Sabi, I can't do that, dog.
Block my check. You don't block my check.
Yo, hold on now. Who said they want that is?
Man, you can't see. Would I show up?
Watch it now. Yeah. How the hell the cream no good with a chicken? Who say so? Who say so? Yeah, you know, say on a big man levels, you see, big man level, you see, even when we take it out, that's somebody we have that channel there, we say, the credit them no good, him a trick we. Remember, me at this year, me a inbox in your contact, they come out from this, any of me have your number, and this year. Remember, me tell you, here. Yeah, watch ya. Oh, you're smart. You never fit delete the message. So guess what? Would I just make couple of my moderator them take care in a dog. A big man levels in a bad man. No, me no know. He must say yo nobody. You see me? Me know people I get the credit them though. Cause notice. You see, when me get to understand the people them get the credit them nah talk. And that me realize.
And that again, you know. You see, anybody said a while ago, yo man, you're not gonna reach nowhere in life. Girl or boy, you gotta stay right where you are.
Right, exactly.
Right, exactly. You're not gonna reach nowhere you are.
Me nah PM no mind still, you see me, so guess what? Who say me call over about that diesel credit? I say call you over back and me call you over back. Me no know who get the credit.
Alright, look and see.
So me take out the girl too. So me get to understand. I don't see a little war go on in my live chat though. Somebody in my live chat a war, you know, two somebody in my live chat are sitting a war, cause it come like war go on. You see me? So who are in my live chat a war? How for number that? What go on my brother? 170.
This because it's an overseas number. How would that?
Hold on, it's an overseas number that somebody send them. Hold on. Me don't know that somebody they will send that number there. So hold on.
So what you identify yourself?
Hold on. Who for number that? What kind of number that? Cause it look like it's an overseas number. You see me? No, wrong credit. You see me? Me don't know. Me not can credit. Yes. So what? How would that somebody there now? Gangster Liberty. Yo. Sammy, can I wax a good on to
St. Lucia.
So
St.
you're from
Lucia.
St. Lucia. So watch out.
Look
Okay.
here.
You see, if you really want to get in touch with me or to have a conversation, you don't know my number there. For me channel. You see me? So when you go back to me, please.
Yo.
Watch out. Who send me call over back to diesel credits? I call you over back. I don't know who get the diesel credits. So who send me call over back to diesel credits? I call you over back. Yo, take me tell you some more. Tell some tell you some more. So, see, for my phone, I dead 5% my phone there. Me I call you over back here now. So, I did sell credits again in our people. So, he got 20. See, you know what still I go so. Yeah, me I go call the line credit next. So, who get the diesel credit? Who get the diesel credits? They get it.
Yo, no talk fast, car.
Talk fast, car. Actually, me have video figure shoot. Me have whole heap of things to do. And right now, people, my live stream I go and come. Every second that's a reconnecting. So, who get the diesel credits? They get it.
I see it. And
so hold on. Me I move on to online credit. Because I guess what my phone at dead. A 5%. No, don't go in there. No, give me one 100 line. So line people say ready.
yo, look at now.
Line people say ready. See one line credit, line people say ready. 5% my phone the people and my phone me a stream pan today. You see me?
Yo, no, hurry up, quick.
Gonna hurry up people. quick and fast. Quick people.
You know what go on when they get to that what can know car.
Cause right now, if people them nah say if them get it, so me no want to waste my time on one credit. So me just a move on. So me go try back some of my credit them.
Some of them are going, it's like a be different people. You see it, so when people get they just get it and gone. So who not get it, no care.
Hold on, this is a 100 lime credit. You see me? So line people them wanna get ready now. So 81, 29, 24, 30, 19, 03, 12. Hold on. May I call you over what? That credit you again. 81, 29, 24, 30, 19, 03, 12. So who get that one there? Say get it.
Yo, on the talk, you see it, car.
I want to talk bad man, because I don't want to know in our life stream and I get the credit man and say, oh, no, nah.
And remember, say, who not get credit now, you still can't get car. See that? I hold it more credit there, credit can't.
And see me put on one 200 one over here, so special. So me nah no more digital credit left, I just be a lime credit there now, people.
Yes, I hold it back credit there.
Be a lime credit alone, people. So when you just check in, and right now I still get a bag of WhatsApp message. Me I wonder what go on over WhatsApp. So you see me?
Yeah.
Yo, so I'm for the call over the lime credit. We can't call over the lime credit and choose somebody missing out for a live stream. We just have to move on to our next credit, you see me?
Waiting the dog.
Yo, I wanna say move on to our next one, cause guess what? Me nah stuck on one credit, you know. Me I give you one 200 lime now. Come in, man, 200 lime.
Two bills like see it, yeah. Cause I'm not joking thing, cause people them are cut. So watch out now. You ready? Yo, me no one ready for you lime. 2 bills, quick and fast. Cause yo, we want to deal with some more things. So come in.
You are stick on it now, ready. Yo, watch out, digital credit done you know, in a digital credit done you know, you see me?
Yo, so
a three digital credit there, and nobody not tell me who get a digital credit, you see me? So guess what? Lime credit, 200 limes, ready?
Quick and fast, cause I'm not joking thing, you know. You ready? Watch out now.
I remember people who not get no credit in this a live stream, yeah. Me I go live little more with the rest of live credit them people. So I check in little more.
Yeah, credit there. Credit can't done so. Yeah. Yo, where's good that one quick? We have some more things to do.
Yeah, call out the line credit, yeah. Call out one quick.
75381 6210 586 75381 6210 58689. Alright.
So who get it, so then get it, that I want 200 line. And guess what?
Yo, I know we buy 3 now,
amount that lime credit we get a shop, and we buy 3 lime credit. So, you see me, because if you notice, we're full of lime credit, because I one more 200 credit, lime credit, yeah. And I may go call that one, yeah. So guess what? If people them are ready again, guess what? It come like people them will get the credit, now type so then get the credit, you see me? So if people them are ready for your lime credit again, say ready again. Yeah, dog, did sell done, dog. So guess what? If your mother have a lime phone or your sister have a lime phone or your cousin or anybody have a lime phone, just tune into the live and try get one of them lime credit, yeah. 2 smart is already, more it 3 more ready for your lime credit, then give you that 2 bills line, yeah, people. Oh, so you say DJ, so like what DJ say, watch you now, look you now. Get you know nobody in your family we have lime phone. So best people still are ready. Watch you know. Me I call you back some of them credit if anything in the people. So one day we call already, me I call you back and nobody now say then get it. Cause me not understand what go on. Nobody now have lime phone in our house. Who have lime phone say ready?
Yo, look, oh, you talk we have things to go deal with, you know.
Yeah, brother, more see me can show to one video today. My phone there are 3% people. I see 2 ready. So 2 somebody alone yes, I have lime phone. People watch ya, share out the live stream again. Share out the live stream again for me, please. No, that nothing. No.
CBC.
Come in, people, and share out the live stream again.
Kede.
I wanna
Ini, I'm a people depan.
So so line people say ready. People, what you know? 10 people or more of the on the line before I call the credit. You see me? So why people them there? Yeah man, if you can go and just go and give me watch time. I know I got respect for your watch time same way. It's the same like how I support the live stream when I over here. I give a credit. Said someone to support the video when I post the video there. You see me? Because I show no brother. You see me? Teach me, I teach no brother. Loyalty to it and loyalty to the end, my friend. You see me? My phone there 2%, so guess what? I do a cover a live stream later, so guess what? So my phone there 2%. I call out that way name there. That way name there. That credit here. No. And then me do part 2 I live little more. What do you think about that? So who say me do part 2 I live little more? Say part 2 later. Come in, all of who say me do part 2 at the live giveaway yeah. Little more say part 2.
What we are going to do, we are see if we can get some more digital phone can see. So maybe by later we could have at least 3 or 2.
What time now? What ya? Yeah. Who all I know here so I know on subscribe and turn on the bell. So from the subscribe and turn on the bell, you see me? From the subscribe and turn on the bell when me I go live. You say like how I do the live that today and tell you say yo, me I go live 1:30 and I see me go live 1:30. You see me? When I don't know, say I saw it I go little more. So guess what? I go so boom. I don't know, maybe I do live little more in a night. You see me? You see me? Yeah man, I get 2 digital credit.
I get some digi man, no worry.
You see me? So if anything I'm gonna get in a digi, I don't know say yo, part 2 little more. So guess what? Who there now we have Lime phone, just say yo, ready for the Lime credit yeah. Me not give you that 2 bills on there. I left that 2 bills on there for little more. So give me 100 Lime. So who ready for that Lime one? I say ready. One somebody say ready. So I want somebody in a live chat have Lime phone. Come in, 1% my phone there now. I do it fast people. Who want the Lime credit? I say ready. People I say part 2 and people. So remember no people, no share out the live stream and no tell friend about the live stream about little more. You see me so? You see like I save what we there now. You see me, you know say little more. Hundreds somebody who wants it on the live stream. So you know say when hundreds somebody there, you know say I try as much, get enough credit for everybody. You see me? So people, me I call a last Lime money and cut you now. So the Lime people them say already. So me just call it 97 14 36 63 00 79 84. So who get it say get it. Come in man, me a wait pound of people, 1% my phone there. Who get the 100 Lime credit when me just give it? Say get it. 1% my phone them want any live stream. I don't want my phone lock off on the live, brother. You see me? So, yo, chap kid, you can cut. So remember, people.
Yeah, I don't know things set now. I have things to deal with, so I want to go man.
So people see them, they have to lick more, you see me? They have to later. You see me? They have to later. So you know say, all of them I want to see them, I all crush them up, because I don't know who get them I want to, you see me? So them I want to, hold on, when my lighter there. So them I want to people, I don't know who get them, so guess what? Them are outside people, so guess what? Remember, we check in back little more. So guess what? That the one they gone, that I one already. So who get that 100 Lime, they want answers. You see me? So remember, we check in back little more for part 2 a Dan Boy TK live giveaway. You see me? So who get the Lime credit, the answer. Now nobody feel like say yo, me I style them with credit, so guess what? All I credit them, we get already, you know say. Yo, so guess what? Who say we not do bogus thing and we not give a fake credit? Una put a fire and say fire. Cause guess what? We just have fire up them credit from people get them already. So you know say when part 2 forward, a problem man. Credit they are like no. Don't know people, no type fire. From the credit them for burn up. From somebody get them on the type fire. I want to see fire in Nigeria. 1% me there. Batch there now. Yeah man, fireman pan them man. So you don't know say yo, look more wanna take in for part 2. Look more wanna take in for part 2. This I lime credit and me just the way I don't know who get it. So guess what? Fire pan here again too. So guess what? You see part 2, me no want nobody say yo. Them the credit they call in a part already. So you don't know say part 2 people, they are little more. So people fire on them. So guess what? Remember Dan Boy TK did the live today with a Clement, and my respect for the support and my respect for all I love and everything on show today, you see me? Yeah man, respect for 31 thumbs up when I get said here. And I don't know, big up on yourself. Yeah man. Yeah man, I know them I get it or not talk, you see me? But big up on yourself people, and I don't know, checking back little more. So all of who have my number and just link me up on it up now. So when I go live, little more, no. So remember people, I see me can get some digital credit. You see me? And do the live there again. You see me? So watch you now people, little more you know, later. I end I live this, you see me? So part 2 free live giveaway for people. So tomorrow, little more in the evening. You see me? So remember to check in. So respect for no support and I don't know. Dan Boy TK rate you know, and respect you know. I don't know. Make sure you post notification turn on so you get notified when I go live later.